Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Right here.
Hey, I'm to my mask on. Hey.
She got me over here in Zell's ring shopping. So pretty much we was looking at a couple of them. Came down to this one, but it's rose gold and two-tone white gold with the purple sapphire in the middle. She doesn't think she's gonna like the purple sapphire diamond. I say, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Purple her favorite color, you know. But
it's okay. They're gonna disagree. We're gonna get a match today, maybe. The 3 stones. It's got 3 stones in one. See, it's got 3 different ones. So.
Yeah, 3 stones mean 3 digits. 3,000 plus. Y'all know I ain't lying. 3 diamonds mean 3 digits or more. I see it now, the purple. That's the one I picked up that I think that was okay, but you know, she don't think she's gonna like the sapphire. So, baby girl, when you watching this could have been you if we don't get it. So let's come down to these 2 right here. Got the raindrop shape. We got the pizza shape one. 2,400 both. I mean, for each. Yeah. Okay. Decisions.
Let me try them both on. See how they look.
I said the round one.
Yeah, I think the round one.
I said the round one. What you think, the round one?
The round one, I think the round one.
Wow, I guess you
It's like bone. I hope you're proud of me. I try to do my best.
I hope she love me like that round one.
Is it because it come with the band already?
It comes with the band.
Okay, that's what it is.
Alright, so we added another player in the game. So we got this one that's kind of boxy. This is round. And this is more bordered with rose gold.
It's got all rose gold. This one's got both. Oh no, it's hard. That one.
That one's popping.
Boom. Say less.
If this lip gloss popping, then that's it.
One more time. We made our decision. Take it down.
Maybe 5 years from now, I can,
We'll get a new
rekindle
one.
with another one maybe.
Yeah, you get a new one. 10-year anniversary. Yeah, sure.
Or I can polish that and put it back on the phone.
We're going back over there.
So I got approved with the Zales. I guess you could say credit card, loan, whatever you want to call it. What I got approved for?
What's the number? Oh, let's go back. Hold on.
Nah. We right up under that almost. Yep, we cool with that. 35, you know what I'm saying? That North Park credit. You said don't put it in the pamper?
No, not in the pamper, not in the bottle either.
On my ring.
Me and her.
Oh, y'all are?
I never
Oh, well, let me go look.
Yeah, you can. I need to know what you want. And I was like, okay. She said, well, maybe it'll match mine. I was like, okay. I said, but you do need to ask him what he would like.
I think that'd be cool.
Yeah, that's match. Because you always go too, so.
But I mean, I gotta wear it every day though.
I told her even there, or she could buy you the band too for you and your truck. So I won't scratch nothing. Hard labor. So
Or I
you
could
have
just get like a
options.
tattoo right here.
Yeah, or you can get the band. They have like the regular rubber band. So I was telling her, I said, I got options.
Or when I take it off, I can put a little sign say on vacation.
No, the fuck is not Gary.
So you're not gonna see this video until then, but you better be happy and satisfied. Got me in here, mortgaging my future. I might have to sell a Mustang.
Absolutely, you should. I love you, bestie.
I tried to keep a limit. She's like, oh, that's your limit. Let's just go a little bit. Just like a female. When the speed limit 50, they want to go 80. Told I only had about 15, 2,000. She said, oh yeah, then make it about 3.
I just say how to sell. The more you spend, the more you save.
I see. You hear that? The more I spend. You hear the first part?
more you save.
Then the more I save. And I still saved over my limit. Yeah. No. She clumsy. She allowed to put it on and the same day it dropped down the garbage disposal.
Oh man.
But we got that protection.
Oh my god, look at that. What size is it?
This is 7. What does she weigh?
Oh,
6.5.
6.5. When you give it to her?
So that's a thing. 'Cause I'm kind
Between now and 4th of July.
Okay, so
Why you snitching on me?
Well, she'll see it after the fact.
do you want to send it out and get it sized to a 6.5?
How long
It
does it take?
It takes about 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Or you want to bring it back after?
You want to surprise her with it, then bring it back?
Yeah, we're surprised to bring it back.
Yeah. 'Cause I might do it tonight.
Love you. I
there you
got
go.
something you like. I hope you like it. I hope you love it, actually.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Run law. He'll be okay.
Pass. So now we're over here in Macy's. But y'all see, that's right there. Be on telephone. I was telling y'all, see.
You might need this. Wait, look. She look right like this, run law. Da Vinci by Louis Vuitton.
But anyway, it's a done deal.
Done day.
We got her done. Your boy's gonna be proposing sometime soon. Don't know when yet, but the footage is here. So anyway, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out of here. What's going down with a KOYOTEPACK? Hey. Oh. You ever know what it is? Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KT, and I'm back with Super Clean. You feel me? If you want to keep your wheels nice and clean, I got this all-wheel cleaner from Super Clean. You can use on regular rims as far as aluminum, alloy, chrome, colored, clear, whatever you got. Check this out. I cleaned my wheels earlier. I'm leaving from Memphis, headed back to Dallas. Look at that. No brake dust. All up in there. No brake dust. Caliper still clean too, and it's painted. You feel me? Hey, all you gotta do is take a couple squirts of this on each rim, let it sit for about 30 seconds to about a minute, and you good to go. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with some water, you know, wipe it off with a towel. It puts a special sealant on the outside to keep your wheels nice and clean, like in this clean picture right here. Yes, sir. So make sure you go get yourself a Super Clean. Find it at a retail store near you, whether it's AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, Auto Parts, any store that sells this or any type of parts, this will be here. I'm telling you. Hey, make sure you tag your boy, Cowder Boy KT. You see it on the window.
2,000 years later.
Got him! Got him!
Then you out. Cameraman, you ready? Set, go!
Oh, he got some big things.
White.
The door's open. The door's open.
All right. Don't drop it.
Spoon broke too? Who's spoon broke?
I was
playing.
I can bend it. I can break it.
Wait, hold on. You got blindfolded. You might blindfolded.
Blindfold her.
Right on.
You.
Right on. No.
Don't run. My waist might melt.
Wow. No. Come back.
Show us over here.
Turn around.
We ain't gonna let you fall. We gonna guide you.
Right here, we got you.
We got you. Your eyebrows gotta come off. Hold on.
And eyelash.
Chrissy. I can't see. Chrissy.
Eyes right now.
Okay, there we go. Kenyatta, time.
All right.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Y'all got the drink? Hold the drink.
Give us a Janae, hold
I
this.
get it.
Okay.
Just don't sip it.
Here, don't inhale it either.
No. We right here. We right here, best down. Right here, both sides.
Yo, out there.
Mama, it's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
No, way over there.
Wait, we got to the curve yet. Okay, now step down.
Okay. Come on. Right there. Come back, son.
See,
Right here. Come up. Come up.
Like that.
Right there.
Okay,
With a spoon?
Right there.
How the fuck I'm supposed to do this when I can't see?
Okay. You got it.
What is this?
It's the egg right
That's
there.
the egg. That's his hand.
Just give me the egg.
No,
Let me carry it
no.
like
You got to
this.
put on the spoon.
Just let me carry the egg like this.
No, then there's no point. Hold on.
Oh.
You can't use your God hand.
I can't see.
Okay.
Bro, chill. I don't know.
Hold spoon now.
It's PTSD. I don't know.
No. Just
Hold
one hand.
spoon now.
Hold the spoon.
Well, where the spoon at?
Hold spoon now. Don't drop it.
spoon on drop it.
I'm not ready.
Don't drop it now.
Oh, no, you can't do that.
Wait,
That's
wait,
cheating.
Stop. Wait,
That's
I'm
cheating.
not.
No, that's cheating.
Stop, bro.
Come on, just walk. Set, go.
What you mean, set, go?
Go.
Bro, walk. Okay. Walk.
Come on, no. Come on.
Walk.
Come on. Come on. Don't drop it. Come on.
Why you dropping the egg, bro? Move your hand. Come on.
I was
trying to make sure y'all don't. Oh, my shoe. KT, if you make me hit
I'm not, you're
something.
not.
You're not gonna hit nothing. We got you. It's hot under here. It's hot. Put your hands down.
All right. Come on, take the blindfold off.
Damn, I would. I got the baby man.
My eyelashes.
So yeah, you broke your little egg over there, so I had to replace it with something better. But I know we've been through a lot, and you've been through a lot, but the only thing I can say is, will you marry me?
She said yes, y'all. Don't move. Yes, ma'am. Bling bling. Y'all so gay. Yes, ma'am. Let me see, girl. Oh, wait, let me zoom in. I'm so mad at Chrissy right now. She missed it. Get a little gay picture or whatever. Y'all so gay. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can get your back behind. Okay, let me get pictures now because we.
I ain't got no ring, but
It's too sunny over here. Y'all need to get in the
Hey, man, hold on. Y'all just switch sides.
bling.
Yeah, there you go.
Girl, put that ring on her chest, baby.
I had to hide from my son. Tried to take it off.
Blinking together, yes. Coyote boy and coyote girl, get it, boo. Not with the thumb. Hold on, let me get the kiss on the sweaty ass forehead. Wait a minute. Wait. Big period. Okay. Already B signs. We're not gang related over here. Chrissy, call back. She got jump on Janelle. Oh, Chrissy. Yeah. Yes.
Doing big things.
I'm trying, man.
Yeah.
I got it.
That's your little son right there. What's up, boy?
Miss Jenna,
Little cutie pie.
where's my cup? And there you go, right there. There you go. Girl! They match the color. Damn. What? Okay, y'all act right. Everybody looking in every direction. I don't know what he doing, but of course. Video on the tape. I'm doing.
My man.
Or something like that. My nigga out here doing things the right way. Shit.
Why you keep grabbing my chain? I'm gonna grab your chain when you get over. But y'all see, I had to go on there, get on the knee.
Yeah.
You know, I wasn't wearing white like Drake,
Yeah.
but you know,
Yeah. Solid nigga needs.
had to make it happen.
That's rap.
You wanna tell the camera something, Mom? Tell them, oh! Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. It's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.